JessEm's new clear-cut stock guides for a table saw increase the precision of your cuts and your safety as well. Our new stock guides include a T-track that mounts directly to your fence. The stock guides slide onto the T-track effortlessly, and they can be adjusted the full length of the track. To set up your stock guides, the first thing we're going to do is make sure they are clear of the blade. Once we're sure they won't interfere with the blade, they can be locked into position. Now we're going to set them to the thickness of the board. Just place the stock you're going to cut under your stock guide and lower the stock guide to the stock. By setting it up with the outer edge of the stock guide, this ensures that you get the proper tension on the roller. With the stock guide set, we're ready to adjust the fence and take our first cut. Because of the one-way bearings in each roller, your stock can be fed effortlessly through the stock guides. The urethane tires on each roller grip the surface of the wood. Because each wheel is angled at 5 degrees toward the fence, they effectively steer your stock into the fence. As you can see, the one-way bearings and the angle of the pivot arm give considerable resistance to kickback. When you don't want to use your stock guides, just position them out of the way behind the surface of your fence. Each stock guide is held to your work under spring pressure, so that it will always be in contact with your work. Here you can see the 5-degree angle of the roller pulling the stock into the fence. Even a single clear-cut stock guide pulls your stock into the fence and holds the wood in position even if you let go. Even with this much force on the board, it holds your stock tight to the fence. In our previous demonstrations, we were using a riving knife, but as you can see, the clear-cut stock guides work just as well with your guard in position. When I'm going to cut a large panel, I like to use a small block of wood, the same thickness of the panel, to set my clear-cut stock guides. You will notice, because of the holding force of your clear-cut stock guides, that you get a far better finish on your cuts, without those gouges or burn marks that are common when feeding large panels. Even the sound of your saw is more consistent when using clear-cut stock guides. Take your table saw to a whole new level of safety and precision with JessEm's new clear-cut stock guides for a table saw.